now I'm talking to the dear wives. Yes. Number 1, pray more for your husband, for your children, and for your marriage. Dear wife, be a prayer warrior. There is nothing that can manage and put down a prayerful wife. There is nothing that can manage a prayerful wife. Number 2, for the wife, be more submissive to your husband. Starting now, going forward, double the submission or triple it if need be. Be more submissive to your husband. Number 3, wife, reduce, alter, do away with nagging completely to 0. Don't nag him. You need something answered, opt for dialogue. Number 4, appreciate and praise your husband more than before. Let him know every day that you are appreciative, that you are thankful for everything he has done, for everything he's doing, for the love he's given you, for being a good, loving partner, husband and father. Appreciate your husband. Number 5, do you feel like abusing your husband? Don't do it. Bite your tongue. Never take out an abusive word to your husband from now going forward, no matter what. Number 6, be a better version of yourself. Add more value to your life this year. Read a book if need be. Take a course if need be. Learn if need be. Do whatever it is to add value to yourself as a woman. Starting now, going forward. Manage and accept whatever your husband gives you. Thank your husband for giving you what he has given you and bless him for doing that. Number 8, starting now going forward, your husband is your number 1 priority. Don't replace your husband with anything. Be it work, be it children, be it anything. Are they movies? Is it your favorite soap opera? Do not replace your husband with anything. He is your number 1 priority, starting now, going forward. Number 9, be very cautious of the friends you hang out with this year. The friends you move with, the friends you talk to, you tell your secrets, you tell about your marriage, you tell about your husbands. This is the time to cut loose. Cut loose those friends who are anti-marriage, who are not helping you grow, who are not building your brain, who are not adding anything to you, who are not giving you wisdom about anything. It's time to be cautious about the bad friends and cut them loose. Number 10, wife, you are a home keeper and you are a home manager. Manage your home well. Your home is not for your maid. Your home is not for your sister who came to stay with you or your niece. Your home is for you to manage. Take the mantle. Manage your home well. You are the queen of this home. Number 11, don't neglect your job. Do you know what I mean? I mean your husband's well-being and your children, for the maid to do. There are some things you're supposed to do as a woman, much as you get tired and you need help. But things like laying your husband's bed, laying your bed, serving your husband food, washing for your husband, washing your lingerie. All those things are for you to do, lady. All those things and more. So do not leave those chores for the maid to do. They are yours to do. Starting now, going forward. Correct those wrongs, lady. Number 12. Do not deny your husband sex except if you have a very big reason. It could be your menstruation period. You could be sick. Other than that, do not deny your husband sex. Put God first. Put God first in your marriage. Put God first in your children. Put God first in your businesses. Put God first in your job. Let God give you the wisdom, knowledge, and understanding of marriage. Number 14. Be transparent and open. Do not hide anything from your husband. If there is any secrets you're keeping from your husband, now is the time to let loose. Now is the time to open up. From now going forward, let there be no secrets between the two of you. Number 15. Trust your husband. Reduce your suspicions to 0 levels. You need anything answered, ask him, and decide from now going forward to trust him. If the trust was broken before, this is the time to rebuild and regain your trust for your husband. Number 16. Support your husband more. You are his assistant. You are his support. Support your husband more. He needs the support. That's why the Bible said the two will become one. So that when you are two, you can work, you can easily do something big together in a short period of time. You put two brains together, you discuss together, you find out together, you get solutions together, you get ideas together. Life becomes simpler when you work together. Number 17. Be teachable. Be open to correction and don't be too defensive. Just accept when you don't know something or when you don't understand something, and accept to learn. Be a teachable, flexible woman. Number 18. Love your husband with all your heart and all your might. Do not let anything come between you and your husband. Just love him. Just adore him. Look at him as your king, and he will make you his queen. Number 19. Forgive your husband. It doesn't matter what he did in the past. Starting now going forward, forgive him. Start a fresh new life in your fresh new marriage. Number 20. Do not let yourself go, woman. Keep your body fit for your husband, for your family, for your marriage. Exercise, eat right, sleep under a treated net. It will give you the life and the health to take good care of your husband and your family. Look good, look nice, be clean, be smart all the time, starting now, going forward. If you are new to my channel, click on this red button, this red subscribe button. Click on it to subscribe and leave me a comment in the comment section. Also, don't forget to share this video and to give it a thumbs up.